to turn on or turn off Google Daily Weather Forecast notification Vibrate in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google Services. Scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, and then tap search assistant and voice. Tap notifications, and then tap notifications again, and then turn on Google notifications. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down screen, tap daily weather forecast, and then to turn on Google daily weather forecast notification Vibrate, tap Vibrate switch until blue, or to turn off Vibrate, tap switch until black or until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.